Hey family, this is Janie at the African Bee Company. Welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things bees, all things honey, and all things Africa. So today I'm just having a cup of tea, but it's a very special cup of tea. And I want to share with you because we've begun this Fight Back series, right? And so what it is that we're just building up our immune system. So I'm just sharing recipes that will help each one of us build up our immunity. All right, so we won't have to uh, take medicine that we don't want to take. All right, so listen, I'm having a cup of pineapple tea today, and I'm just going to give you the list of the benefits of this tea. Is really amazing. So pineapple tea is rich in vitamin C. It boosts our immune system. It's anti-inflammatory. It aids in digestion. It's rich in antioxidants. It's anti-cancer. It promotes healthy skin and hair. It promotes better sleep. It speeds up our metabolism. It hydrates the body. It alleviates nausea, and it helps to relieve allergy symptoms. It helps to relieve allergy symptoms, which is one of the reasons why I'm having it this morning. In addition to boosting my immunity, I'm having some pineapple tea to alleviate my allergy symptoms. As you may have noticed, my eyes are a little red. My nose was red, but I decided to put a little makeup on that. That was ridiculous. And I think it may be slightly red, but if it is, it was worse, way worse. So pineapple tea also helps maintain a healthy blood pressure levels, right? So it doesn't take a whole lot to make this tea. I mean, a lot of times many of us may throw the pineapple peel away. When you're peeling your fresh pineapple, do not throw the peeling away. Put it in a pot, put some water over it, bring it to boil. Let it, after it reaches boiling, let it simmer for 30 minutes. Remove it from the fire and let it cool off for 30 minutes. Pour it into a cup and you have pineapple tea. All right. And just in case it's not sweet enough for you, or you just want to add some more minerals, some more antioxidants to your tea, you can add some honey, right, from the African Bee Company. We have forest honey, and we have, of course, our original acacia honey, right? So just add a teaspoon of that, and you will make your tea even more healthier. Our tea is pure, it's organic, there's nothing added, it's just honey, all right? So be healthy and be happy. Talk to you soon.